Before the pyramids were built, before the rise of Greece and Rome, a spiritual tradition was already thriving in the Indian subcontinent. A religion without a single founder or one holy book, yet it remains one of the most profound and influential belief systems in the world. Welcome to the story of Hinduism, the world's oldest living religion. In this video, we'll explore its rich origins, core beliefs, sacred texts, gods and goddesses, and how it's practiced today. Let's begin. Hinduism traces its roots over 4,000 years ago to the Indus Valley Civilization and the arrival of the Indo-Aryans in what is now modern-day India and Pakistan. Unlike many world religions, Hinduism has no single founder. Instead, it evolved over centuries, absorbing cultural practices, philosophical insights, and spiritual disciplines. The earliest texts of Hinduism are the Vedas, composed in Sanskrit around 1500 BCE. These include the Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharva Veda, forming the scriptural foundation of the religion. Hinduism teaches that the entire universe is pervaded by a divine essence, Brahman, which takes many forms. At the heart of Hindu belief are four key ideas: dharma, moral and ethical duties; karma, the law of cause and effect; samsara, the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth; moksha, liberation from this cycle and union with the divine. Another core principle is ahimsa, nonviolence and respect for all living beings. Hinduism embraces both monotheism and polytheism. All deities are seen as manifestations of the one supreme reality, Brahman. The most widely worshipped gods include Brahma, the creator Vishnu, the preserver Shiva, the destroyer; Lakshmi, goddess of wealth; Saraswati, goddess of knowledge Durga; and Kali, fierce protectors of righteousness; Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. These deities are not just symbolic, but deeply personal, with millions offering daily prayers and devotion. Hindus worship in temples, at home altars, or even in nature. Worship or puja involves offerings, chanting, and rituals that create a bond between devotee and divine. Sacred symbols include the Om, the sound of the universe; the lotus flower, representing purity and spiritual awakening. Hinduism celebrates a rich tapestry of festivals: Diwali, the festival of lights Holi; the festival of colors Navaratri, Janmashtami, and more. Hinduism has deeply influenced art, science, music, and philosophy. Concepts like yoga, meditation, karma, and reincarnation have entered global consciousness. Today, over 1.2 billion people follow Hinduism, primarily in India and Nepal, but also around the world. Hinduism has a vast library of scriptures. Some of the most revered include the Bhagavad Gita, a dialogue on duty and spirituality; the Ramayana, the story of Rama and Sita; the Mahabharata, an epic of conflict and dharma; the Upanishads, philosophical treatises on the nature of reality. These texts offer profound insight into human nature, purpose, and the universe. Hinduism is more than a religion. It's a philosophy, a way of life, a celebration of existence. Its message is timeless: live with integrity, honor your responsibilities, seek wisdom, and realize the divine within you. If this exploration sparked your curiosity, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with someone interested in spirituality and world religions. Thank you for watching, and namaste.